How to use Drama Box app. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for Drama Box. Now click on install. Now wait for some time. Now tap on open. Now click on accept. Now to log into your account or sign up, tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on login. You can either sign in from your Facebook account or you can sign in with Google. Now select your Google account. Now go to home. Now you can explore the app. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.